giving information free. Sometimes you have to feed the community to win. And that's what I did. I fed the community. YouTube was a traffic source, and I turned a lead into a customer because I was able to share information to change their situation. And that $3,000 came boom, just like that. How I made $3,000 without being monetized on YouTube. Watch this. Over the years, I have done so many different things in my life, right? And this is the main reason why I decided to start this channel, because not only that I want to talk on how I was able to do this, but I also want to share with you the magic of how good you are in your mind and how you can produce. You know, as for the last 4 months, I've been trying to become monetized on YouTube, but nevertheless, I did not let that stop me from making money there. So here's the thing. I'm going to show you how you too can make some money online if you are one of them, if you have a skill set. And that's another thing too. You got to have a skill set. You can't just come up here. There's no such thing called free lunch. There's no such thing called making money not doing anything. You have to have a skill set. So let me share with you the skill set that I have. And so you can, you know, look in yourself and see what is your passion really, and see what you can do to make money doing it. So first thing is, I have an e-commerce store, right? And I have been an e-commerce owner for about 5 years. I've been promoting my clothes online. And as you can see, if you look above, you'll probably see my e-commerce store. As you can see, I'm a modest woman. I like to be in dresses, but I do wear pants, right? To make a long story short, my brand is women clothes, and I just model them. All right, so I realized that people was watching me, and a few others online wanted to have the same thing that I had, not the same brand, but they wanted to start their own e-commerce, right? And so to make a long story short, they were, you know, inboxing me, asking me questions, and I started to just give out information, just pure free information without even thinking of charging at the time, because my heart is all about helping someone, right? And that's another thing too. Sometimes when we want to just collect and make money, sometimes it just doesn't work out. So at the time I was just doing it for free, just sharing information here and there, how you can do this, how you can start your Shopify store, how you can, you know, without even spending a lot of overhead, how you can, for Shopify, I believe you get like 3 to 4 free months to create your store, have your brands up there. And if you want me to show you, I can do that as well. But I'm just sharing with you the steps and what it took for me to get there, right? And so I noticed I've been giving out the free information. And when I started to do that now, then a lot of people, they were just thanking me. Camille, you know, you helped me to do this. Now I'm making this money. I'm like, okay, do me a favor, please. If you can you just give me a testimonial video, or can you just give me a review of what I was able to help you do authentically? I'm not asking them to hype anything up. Just exactly what I have done for them is what I want them to, you know, shoot me a video or send me a testimonial or whatever, you know. So that alone gave me that leverage, y'all. It gave me the credibility to show someone else what I was able to do and their work. To make a long story short, I had other people just kept asking me, can you show me how to start my my candle business, or my pictures aren't looking right. How do you make your pictures looking this way? And I would tell them everything to the T. Y'all, I felt like God was just helping me through the process. So to make a long story short, I was giving these information free. I was coaching them free. And when I got those testimonial and those review, it gave me leverage. And so I had other people that wanted to pay me. Okay? And these people paid me to start their business for them, whether it's their LLC, whether it be creating their website, upload their product, and not just that, coaching them on how to work the back end. And that $3,000 came boom, just like that. So what I'm trying to say, sometimes you feel like you may not have it in you, but you do. God gave you a gift. He gave you a purpose. He gave you a skill set, and you can monetize it. Because watch this. I wasn't looking to make money at the time. I was just given information to change situation, and that landed me my first $3,000. It didn't stop there. I was continuing to make money on the side doing other things. But here's the caveat though. YouTube was the traffic source. Wasn't monetized yet. So do you see the power of YouTube? That's the point. I'm saying you may not be making money on YouTube being that your channel wasn't monetized yet, but that's okay. You will see people come around. Your videos will start to circulate. Okay? I had people reaching out to me through the magic of YouTube. And not only YouTube, I have other platforms, like I said, because I have Facebook and other, platform. But my traffic source came through YouTube, and you can do that. So don't look at YouTube like narrowly, like, okay, well, I need to be monetized to make money. There's things that you can do on the back end. There's affiliate, collaboration, coaching, and things of that nature. Now I can coach anyone because I'm able to show them the step-by-step, as well as I have credibility teaching them and showing them, videos and proof and other people work so they can see what I was capable of doing. And so this is a reminder that you can do it too. But your first start is start creating videos on YouTube. Let that be your traffic source. And I'm not saying you can't go on other platforms. Yes, you can go on TikTok. Yes, you can go on Facebook. But the point is, you got to start from somewhere. Okay? You have to start from somewhere. So listen, if I can do it, you can do it. And that's how I made my first $3,000 without being monetized on YouTube, because I was able to show what I had. I was able to teach, giving out information free. And not just that, I think I have about 3 to 4 other, they were just followers, and I taught them how to monetize their channel following my 3-month strategy on what to do. And they followed my exact formula to the T and become monetized. Okay. So what I'm sharing with you is that if I can do it, you can do it. You just have to have a skill set. You got to be ready. You got to have that mindset, because a lot of time we don't have that mindset. We feel like we can't do it. We self-sabotage ourselves because you can't put yourself to the test. Change your mindset for a second. Get a book. Write the things that you know how to do. And just evaluate what people ask you for most of the time. And if people ask you for that advice or to do certain things, then you can teach it, or you can coach it, or you can give out information, or you can start a YouTube channel just giving out free information. Sometimes it's not all about collecting, but it's about being authentic, and it's about giving information free. Sometimes you have to feed the community to win. And that's what I did. I fed the community. YouTube was a traffic source, and I turned a lead into a customer because I was able to share information to change their situation. Okay, so if I can do it, you can do it. This is not a bragging video. This is not to boast to you. It's not about that, because girl, I'm trying to let YouTube pay my rent. Okay, so the goal is, though, I just want to share with you the power of authenticness, the power of using your skill set, and the power of using YouTube as a traffic source to generate that. It can happen. So you don't have to be, you don't have to be monitoring your videos or the views. Just create the videos. Send your information out there. Show the world what you have to offer. And then just give it some time and allow it to grow, because it takes time. Like for me, things take time. I mean, I have another channel, and that channel is a career-based, but it took me years to build that channel. And although I was trying to crumble everything into it, it wasn't working out. It just wasn't. The algorithm was not having it. So, which is why I came out here and I started this channel, and I just started to just create. I mean, if you have been watching me for the last 3-4 months, I've been posting consistent, because I set my intention and I knew what I was coming out here for. Now, the goal is, like I said, I do have my full-time job, but I need that money to do other things. And I would love to become a homeowner one day. But at the end of the day, I know I need more supplement income. And when I thought about it, working my full-time job and, picking up another job, it won't be feasible for me because I have kids and I don't believe having my kids raising themselves on their own. We're not going to do that. So I decided to use YouTube as that platform to generate. And I know, my last video, I talked about how I made $122. That's okay because it's a start. But hey, I was able to make way more than that without a monetized channel before I even got monetized. The power of YouTube, the power of mindset, the power of skill set, the power of just shifting the thinking that you can't do it when you can. See, sometimes we're around the wrong people. And all we need is the right people to be around. Y'all, I've been plugging up with other entrepreneurs like myself who are content creators, who are trying like myself. And we all motivate each other because we all know what we want. We all know our mission. We all know our vision and we want to push to it, right? So listen, just like I share that with you, just think about the skill set you have and put it to use. I want to encourage you.